there. Jedi. Did they send a child to destroy my station? The Republic must be running out of Jedi. You expect victory over Jedi, but all you could give me is battle droids for them to fight. Guards? Guard, where are you? Ah, yes, the negotiator, General Kenobi. We've been waiting for you, yet there wasn't much of a rescue. Anakin Skywalker, I was expecting someone with your reputation to be a little older. Jedi scum! Your lightsabers will make a fine addition to my collection. Yes, Lord Sidious. It will be done, my lord. But the loss of Count Dooku, General Kenobi. You are a bold one. You fool. I've been trained in your Jedi arts by Count Dooku. Are you or not? You must really